This is like the worst way. But for real, I just want to know how people do this. Hey guys, it's your girl Alexis, aka CurlyGem on YouTube. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, and welcome back to the gang. In today's video, I am going to be waxing my arms for the first time, y'all. I'm so excited to do this. I always wanted to get a wax done, but I was always like a punk. I could never do it. I never could do it. I'm going to be waxing my underarms for the first time, and please don't do me, y'all, because this is real and raw. Like, I literally grew hair under my arms. Wait, okay, so please don't laugh at me. But I literally grew hair under my arms for this video just so I can wax it for y'all. I know when you get a waxing, your hair has to be like the size of a grain of rice, and I kind of grew it out to that size. So yeah, this may be gross, but this is real and raw. So if you don't like real and raw, then get the f off of this video, okay? This brand is called Trust Wellness, and it came in a box like this. We are going to be figuring this out together because, like I said, this will be my first time. It's a pretty heavy box. Not heavy, but pretty packed box. So here is the hard wax beans. They have different colors. This one is green. That's actually a teal color. This one is green. They have a yellow one, and they also have purple. These are blue hard wax beans. Here is an after wax spray. Got your chopsticks that come in. Some more chopsticks. These ones are smaller and these are bigger. This is the pre-wax spray. And of course we have the wax warmer, which I will open. Here's some rings. I'm not sure what is what, just because this will be my first time. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for purchasing our wax kit. We value every customer and we want you to have the only and best experience." This is really cute. I think their packaging is really cute. I'm really big on packaging just because when packaging is cute, it just makes me hype. This is a booklet. This is a quick beginner's guide. I'll definitely need this since I, am a beginner. And we will definitely be reading these instructions. Trust Wellness also sent their business card. Just trying to let this focus, if it does. As I'm reading into this booklet, it explains everything. It gives you a quick guide. It tells you how long your hair should be. I like this booklet personally because if you don't know what you're doing like me, this will come in handy. I believe my hair is about a 1/4 of an inch long, maybe. I know this is kind of gross, but this is real and raw. I was pregnant, for those who didn't know. I had my daughter September 24th of 2020. I love her so much. But yes, she did make my underarms a little dark. My underarms have always been a darker color, but they really got dark after I had my daughter. And I know waxing, it takes right from the root, and it's better than shaving. Especially when it comes to like razor bumps. You won't have any razor bumps when you do waxing. I know when you do wax, it lasts longer than shaving. The first step is to pour the Trust Wellness wax beans into the pot and turn the temperature to max. So let's go ahead and do that. Just taking everything off. I didn't tell you guys, but they also come with some gloves. It also came with the spray capsules that came in the wax warmer. So I will be putting this in the spray bottles. Which color should I go with? I think I'm gonna go with the teal color. Oh, I just realized these beans have different flavors. So as you can see, the yellow is lemon, the green is tea tree, the blue is something. The purple is lavender flavored, and the green is peppermint. I really wanted to go by the color, but now I low-key want to go by the flavor. Let's try peppermint, because I feel like peppermint gives you that cooling feeling, and it's still green. You also want to have this plugged up, which I'm about to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is turn this on to the maximum temperature. And I'm going to place my peppermint wax beans in the pot. I think I'm supposed to pour the whole thing. It doesn't really say an amount. And then it says to place the lid on. So it says when the wax is half melted, take the lid off. So that green light is on. I'm not sure if that means that it's ready to use, but the wax beans looks like they're still melting. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't want to play with it too much, and be careful picking it up like how I am. It's actually really melting. You guys can see it moving. Yeah, it's moving, it's melting. And for faster results, they recommend that you keep the lid on. I just have to wait until half of the beans are melted, which I think it's almost like getting to that point. So then I'm just gonna take the lid off, and they recommend you put the temperature between 150 and 180 degrees. That's recommended, nothing past that. So when the wax has the consistency of thick honey, you are ready to wax. So you guys can see this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to put it at like I feel like 160. You know what? We'll do 165. Smells like, I don't even know. So now I'm just waiting on the consistency to turn into a thick honey paste, and I will show you guys that when it is finished. Okay guys, so I turned up the heat just a little bit just to get this thing moving. It's almost done. I don't even want to tilt it. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show y'all like the consistency without making this spill out. While that's finished melting, I'm just going to apply my pre-wax spray. So this is pre-wax spray. And you have to clean the area, your armpits or whatever you're waxing with this first. This helps because it says your skin will be in the perfect condition after using this stuff. Whoa, look at them things. These look. This smells so good. Oh, it smells real good. Like, this smells so good. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Oh, it's cold, okay. I don't know if I was supposed to spray it that many times, but this smells really good. You gotta wait until this dries now. This is what it's kind of looking like. It's all finished. The next thing you're gonna do is place the collar ring around the wax warmer like this. You're gonna use a spatula to apply a small amount on your wrist to test to see if it's too hot or anything. Always make sure you test wax on your wrist first before applying it on the actual, you know, armpit part or wherever you're going to be waxing, just to make sure it's not too hot or anything. And look at me speaking like I know anything about waxing, but listen, I'm going to get this down pat because sis is not going to be scared anymore. It's going to take a little amount, and it is the consistency of honey, and that's how you know it's finished. So this pretty much looks like the consistency of honey for sure. I'm just going to try a small amount on my wrist. This feels really good. So you can see that honey consistency. I think we're ready. We are ready, sir. Oh my goodness, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready. Oh, but be sure that your underarms are fully dried before continuing the next step. And that's why I kind of sprayed this stuff on while this was warming up. Okay, so I'm going to apply the wax in the direction that my hair is going, and I was kind of scoping out under my arm. The hair looks like it's going downward, so I'm going to apply the wax going in a downward motion, and you want to apply it with pressure. So when you peel the wax off, you're going to peel it in the opposite direction. So let me just show y'all. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, I'm so nervous. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Oh, I'm nervous. I am nervous. Oh my goodness. It's just like stringy. Very stringy. Is that? Ooh, I can already tell this is gonna be fun. I'm just trying to make the consistency really thick. Make sure it really gets that hair off so I don't have to go back a second and third time. We're gonna do one arm at a time. You can see all these like stringy things. I'm so nervous. So you have to wait until it's not sticky anymore and it's hard, so about 30 to 45 seconds, and then you're gonna peel it off really quickly. This is the part that I'm like terrified of. Oh my goodness, hold on. Oh geez, okay. We could do this, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Oh! Oh my God. Okay, I'm not doing this. Oh my God, I'm not doing this again. Oh my God. Oh! Okay. Okay. I don't think we're doing this again, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. Oh, I set myself up for failure. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm about to cry. My eyes are watering. I'm about to cry. Okay, okay, we got this, y'all. Oh. Oh my God. So yeah, you're supposed to peel it in the opposite direction. Oh my God. And you're supposed to like stretch your skin. But I feel like regardless, it's hurting, period. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, help. Okay. I'm just gonna peel it whatever way I want at this point because this is hurting. Shucks. Oh my God. This is supposed to be really quickly so you don't have slow and antagonizing pain like what I'm doing right now. Oh, feels like a Band-Aid. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm not gonna kill myself now. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. And it's like the longer that I'm taking, the more painful it is. Oh. Why won't it come off? This is like the worst way. Oh my God. I really regret this. Oh my God, I'm about to cry. I'm serious, y'all. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. This really hurts. Oh. What did I do? Oh, Jesus. I'm never letting my hair grow this long again. If I ever do wax again, I will never let my hair grow this long. I'm sorry. Oh. Come on, Lex. It's like I have this little trunk right here, but it's like really in there. I'm like sweating bullets. If I pass out, oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. Look at this. So this really works. This really works. That's all my hair. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My underarm is sweating. That's how intense this got. I can literally see like the whole strand of hair. There's like a little hook at the end. You can tell it got right in the root. Waxing really does get right in the root. They are not lying, because I can even tell at the ends of the hair, there's like a little tiny hook to the ends of my hair. Like it was really hooked in under my skin. I can see that. That's amazing. We got some like hair under here still. You know what, guys? Actually, it got most of the hair. And I have a mirror here now, so I can see like what I'm doing. I'm just gonna get the rest of this hair off. We got this, y'all. We got this. I'm gonna do it again. I could do this, I could do this. Mama didn't raise a punk. But for real, I just want to know how people do this. Wow. Look at that. I'll wait for this to get hard. It's supposed to be quick, quick. Oh, quick, quick. Ah! Ah! Okay, now I see what they mean by doing it quick. It's painful. It's a painful quick. Here we go. And I believe that is the end of that. Now I'm just wiping off the extra wax. There's kind of some extra wax under here. All right, y'all. So this is the end result. I actually really like the end result. I really do. I'm just going to spray the after wax spray. Ooh, nice. It's like an oil. I don't even think I needed that many sprays. It smells like coconut oil. And so did the before wax. They both smell like a nice coconut. Ooh, I like that. I'm just gonna massage it in. I am finished. And even though the process was painful, I really like the end result of this. I love the feeling of it. It's really soft. I got all the hair out. And I think waxing is gonna be my thing. With time, we're not gonna say right away because that was painful. I love the result. It feels super soft. I'm probably going to do the other arm off camera because I'm pretty sure you guys are sick of me screaming, and I definitely need to concentrate on the other arm. I just need my own personal space. I don't see anything that's red, no cuts, nothing. This is smooth. It's very smooth now, and I love the way how it feels. It doesn't even look as dark. I know, like my underarms, I said they were like dark. They don't look too dark to me. If you guys are interested in this waxing kit, I will leave my coupon code somewhere here so you guys can use my code to purchase this and get some coins. Save your coins, honey. I thank you so much for watching this video and tuning in, and thank you to Trust Wellness for sending me this wax kit. I love it. With time, I'm pretty sure I will love it even more, but I just gotta get used to that pain. Stay tuned for my next video. I love y'all. Bye.